Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This is Makwala Agri. Guys, I missed this house as much as you guys missed this house. So this is my first house. My equipment have been ready ever since, guys. Most of you have asked where did I procure this plastic. This is the same plastic that we use to mulch at the greenhouse. We actually bought this at the NTK. Check it out. You can even find it in any hardware store. They have these plastics. But guys, I also missed being in these houses, and I also missed farming chickens. I've been out of business for days now, guys. For days. I'm broke. I'm even broke. But yes, the year's about to end. Things are about to go back to normal. We are about to get chicks. And I'm about to go and book myself for some chickens for January market. Like I said, my orders were cancelled for December, and I was out of business like that. So 2 companies cancelled my order, and they disappointed me. But yeah, it's another year that we're about to start in 3 weeks, and I'm ready to go back to business. But I'm currently broke, guys. Alan Zamin, my feet. Guys. I'm broke, guys. Please. But anyway, I missed my houses too, guys, as much as you missed seeing me in these houses. But soon we'll be back. We'll be back. The houses are clean, but the other one is still dirty. Ever since the last cycle, I haven't cleaned that house. It's really pretty dirty. But yeah, man, a lot of people have been asking how many chickens can I feed in this house. By the way, this house used to be one house. If you've been following my poultry journey since from day one, you will know that this house used to be one house. Then I had to build this wall here, you see, that they haven't even been done like the other ones. So you can see that this was a new wall that was added to actually separate my house into 2, because clearly to run a business with one house, it's not really a yoba. So you need 2 houses to actually start making money in the poultry. So when I started, I had one house that was capacity around 700, and along the way I realized that running a poultry business in one house, it's not a way to go about. You're gonna not make money, you're gonna feel like you are doing nothing, because you stay for a very long time without no income, waiting for chickens to grow again, and then you come back and sell. But I decided to actually separate my house into 2, and then now I have 2 houses. So this one can actually accommodate about 400 chickens. So I was gonna have 400 this festive season. Unfortunately, it didn't happen, and I was gonna have 300 on the other house, the one which is dirty. We'll go to the other house right now. So yes, guys, let's quickly go and show you what happened. So this house used to be one house, and at some point I decided to actually separate the house and make it 2 houses, and this is the other part. So because I couldn't make a door between the houses, I had to make the door on the other side. So this side, the way you see it over here, it used to be the same thing on the side, but here we decided to cut it in the middle and decided to put a door here. And this is my other house. Yeah, still dirty. I haven't actually cleaned this house ever since my last cycle, and this is how dirty it looks. This is now during rain season, guys. Like you can see, my walls are wet. It's during rain season. It's now raining hell. See this, we have some waters that came in. We have some water came in inside. You can look at our drinkers, our equipment, man. This is our feeder. This is the base of our feeder, and this is the top one. They're all wet. It's messy in this house. But anyway, I'm gonna be cleaning this house very soon. Even the other one, I'm gonna re-clean it. It's now raining outside. But yeah, man, this is the other house that accumulate 300. So in this house I can actually have 300, in the other house I can have 400. I was gonna be having 700 this festive season. Unfortunately, things went the other way around, so I lost a lot of money, because I was gonna make money anyway. But yeah, guys, so this is how you build your chicken house. So this side where you see a fully walled structure, so this side you see I don't have any ventilation happening. It's a full walled side. This is where the sun rises, and the other side, on the other side, it's where the sunset, where you see the first door on the other side. So my house, remember, used to be one thing before I actually separated into two. So this is how it looks like. And checking on our field, our tomatoes are gone. We don't have tomatoes anymore. Our green peppers are almost, at the end of the production line, and we have so many waste of red peppers on the ground as well. But yeah, I'm here to talk about the house today, guys. Most of you want to see my house. This is my house. I just want to show you my house. Today I want to show you my poultry house. This is my poultry house. This is my house, how it looks like. So it used to be one thing, like I said, and then decided to separate at the middle, and we have two houses now. So like I was saying, it's not a good idea for you to run a poultry farm with one house. At least have two. Yeah, so I'm gonna be booking 200 chickens for January market. They're gonna be ready at the end of January 2024. So guys, if you wanna start now for the next year, please place your orders, and then you start your cycle on the 22nd of December 2023, and then your chicken will be ready. It's not raining, guys. I gotta run to the house. I'm sorry, guys. I hope you can hear me, but it's a little bit noisy here because of the rain. Remember, I don't have ceiling on our roof. But anyway, as I was saying, that one of the mistakes that I did when I was building my house, looking at my roof now, it's kind of rusty. So it's because my roof, or my structure, the length of it's like 2 point something meters, and it should be around 3 meters, because when the heat from the chicken evaporates going up, they reach the roof very early, and that's when the mist happen, and so on and so on. Oh shit, I'm having a leak in my house. I have to repair my house now. After 3 years of operating, now we have to repair the house. It's bad, guys. Yeah, we're having a leak. Sort it out. Yeah, man, like as I was saying, that at least have your house 3 meter tall. Don't do it like me. I did mistakes when I was building my house anyway. So guys, it's really raining outside now, and I hope you can hear me. But I just want to show you my house, man. It's been a while since I've shot anything in these houses. We are going back to business. Come January, I'll be making money again. As for now, it's festive season, and I'm broke. God damn, man. We have asked for rain, but now it's raining every day. Jeez.